Let's open Visual Studio Code to write our first JavaScript code. In previous lesson we have created two files, one HTML file with the name Canvas, and one JavaScript file with the name code. If for some reason you cannot see these files, go to Lesson 2, or search on internet for more informations. In Canvas tab we have created two lines of code. The first creates our canvas, and the second creates a link between JavaScript and the Canvas HTML file. Now press the Code tab to write JavaScript code in the code.js file. Now let's create a variable, with the name myCanvas. var our variable name, myCanvas. Before we continue, let's make a break to examine something called case-sensitive. JavaScript is a case-sensitive language. This means that words with capitals have different meaning. For example, the name myCanvas is different to the name myCanvas with capital letters. If the name you choose has multiple words, you can separate them using two methods. The camel case. In this method you start the names with small letters. If the name you have choose has multiple words, the later words will start with a capital letter. Like this example, the name myCanvas starts with small letters, and then the word canvas is separated with capital in the first letter. The snake case. Like in camel case, in this method you start the names with small letters. If the name has multiple words, the later words will start with small letters and you use an underscore to separate the words. Like this example, the name myCanvas starts with small letters, and then the word canvas is separated with underscore. Let's continue coding. var myCanvas equals 2 document. If you want to access something in the Canvas HTML file, you use the document. In this HTML file is where our canvas lives. The Canvas HTML file is an object. With the document we can access the Canvas object with JavaScript. In HTML file, in previous lesson, we have create our canvas. Now we will write an action. The query selector. These actions are also called methods, because they are performed on objects. This method search and find our canvas, inside the Canvas HTML file. Query selector. Open parenthesis and write, canvas, inside quotes. Notice in JavaScript, there is no difference between using double or single quotes. When writing canvas inside parenthesis, JavaScript searches and finds our canvas inside the canvas.html file. So, to explain it better, what we did is that we took our canvas from canvas file and stored it to myCanvas variable. Now we have access to the canvas. In the next lesson we will do something very interesting with JavaScript.